fact for you Battle of Britain film nerds. If we look over the back there, right over the back is where the Battle of France was filmed in the Battle of Britain movie. The Hurricanes and the victory roll over the French. And in the field, you can see Longfield looking up. That's where the Messerschmitt 109s came down and the chateau was built, film drop. And then the fields over the back here was where the Polish guy lands on his parachute. Good afternoon. A little bit of Duxford facts about the Battle of Britain movie.